I thought nothing would fix my depression, but I decided to give Puppramin a shot.
3 hours after taking my prescription, this guy showed up.
Thanks to Puppramin, I don't remember what it was like to be sad.
After you take the pill, the pups just find their way to you.
In some cases, a tracking suppository may be needed.
Oh. Well, it's in there now. I'm supposed to get a buzz when my puppy arrives.
If the buzz notification does not stop after 5 hours, please call your doctor.
That's my boy.
They sent me one of them fancy designer breeds.
He's really jealous of my attention. Also, he ate my chihuahua.
At first, I taught him how to help me with the laundry, and now he's helping me launder my money.
Some patients report aggressive throat ripping, which may be rabies related. If your dog looms over your baby while they sleep, contact your physician immediately. Some dogs may be working together to bring about the Dark Lord's return, as was foretold.
Now I want to give my dog a bath instead of my toaster.
Ask your lawyer if Puppramin is right for you.